FMOD is an amazing tool for game developers. However, it can be pretty daunting if you've never used it before. What FMOD does is it offers an alternative to the Unity sound system and allows both developers and sound designers to have an easy and more flexible time implementing audio into their game. However, the cost of this is having to learn the FMOD system, learn how to use FMOD Studio, and learn how to implement it into code, given how it's pretty different from what Unity already has. Having to learn how to FMOD under a deadline can be terrifying. That's the exact situation our team found ourselves in. To pull this off, we came up with a brilliant tool for reducing scope. It's called the good enough mindset. For example, some audio may sound better if it was implemented into the game's world space, like a 3D sound, but as long as it played properly, the rest could be added in later. Another area we did this was with the volume of the sounds. Yes, we could have spent a bunch of time adjusting each and every sound effect to be perfect, or we could just make a settings menu where you could turn down the volume of the sounds altogether, which was something we had to do anyways. By focusing on the bare minimum, we gave ourselves room that we needed to learn the ins and outs of FMOD and let us focus on making sure that we did these small things correctly rather than doing a bunch of things incorrectly. Now with a strong foundation of FMOD in our alpha, we'll have an even easier time in our beta trying out all the advanced features and improving our sounds.